premium chamfer foils. This is freaking awesome because it's here only 30 seconds and it really delivers you exactly what I want. So let me apply color and tie the nails and here for 30 seconds. And back to this one, I can't wait to share with you this. I have so many in here that I can't wait to share. Like I said, oh, this one looks good. I want this one. It looks like Easter eggs. Wait a minute, it's not Easter yet, but we're just doing it earlier so then you all have an idea that what you can do with your clients. My other. It's gonna be stunning, stunning. I'm gonna place them all in completely the nails. Keep it really nice. Pressure. Make sure it's around the cuticles. If you want them to chamfer good in the cuticle, you have to get like a lot of closer to the cuticles. Press good. Ready? You ready? I'll take it off already. So you're ready. Look at that. It's chamfer completely. So if you're being worried and then you don't know it's your chamfer foils coming, you need to check this guy out. Look at this. I freaking love it. It's just, you know what? Today we have a really nice, like a clients come in with customized set. Our customized set a lot. It'll start from like over $100. And then she's want to cheetah nails with crystal. And then we have, I have it right in front of, if you want, I can recreate the look of her nail. It's really stunning. We do black nails and then cheetahs. I can paint it, but my painting take a little bit longer. And the chalk to the nails instead of $30 for nails with crystal and painting instead of $15. So I gave her an option, which is like, why do less surprise? I can paint, but also if I polish or if I painting it, hand painting, it take me a little bit longer time. Then at that time, if I finish with clients, I can take another custom set. So it's however you would like it. If you want, you are really artistic, you can paint. We have a painting with all different colors you can paint. So I just always give the clients an option. So, but she's so happy with this. I will share the pictures later, and I can also recreate this with crystal as well. It's so stunning. So just to share with you, like, you know, if you're an artist, great, because, you know, my husband is an artist, my brother's an artist, so I appreciate so much, you know, artists and how they take time, they drawing and everything. But hey, you know, within our beauty industries, there's so many tools, so many different products that you can do alternative, so then you can still doing for clients and they still being really happy. I don't know, should I put some crystal on? Maybe it's halo here, but I don't know if I want to do a lot more because it's gonna take you away from my really nice chamfer foil gels design. I am going to using my condensed glue gels. Finally, now it's like I said, what did we haven't done earlier? We didn't put any crystals on. So if you are tired of, you know, all the crystal like coming off, it keep coming off, and this is a good tool that you want to be right in the next on your station when you do crystal placement. I swear I just have my brush here. Thank you. My brush is somewhere. I have more picker right here. My tinted brush. And just a little bit. You don't need a whole lot. If you are doing all the nails, or if you're first time using our crystal condensed glue gel, it is normal for you to seeing it like it's thick density, which is normal. Just blend it. Don't afraid of to blend it out, and it will help keep your crystals stay in a nice place. So I am going to close the cap and using my no wipe top coat. And this is really awesome technique to help not only grab the base, no wipe top coat and condensed glue gel will help grab the base of the crystal and keep it stay secure and like even really secure in nice place. Look at that. Let me move it close up to you and see it's not even any detail missing if I'm using my premium's iHo chamfer foil. It's freaking stunning. Like maybe one if you're like really seeing it close. All right, so I'm going to using maybe just, I don't want to cover a lot. I don't want it actually. Oh. Just that. Or you can do a frame, like a gold frames, like I did a past few video. You can do that to showing it off, to make it more like a statement. You can, but if you don't want to, you are totally fine. I just get an idea for myself right here. Oh yeah, thank you. I'm gonna show you that. I'm gonna do this. That's it. And I am going to using my little SS4 and just a little bit between my two halo frame right here. Facebook see okay? I just saw one of this. Oh. If you don't want this, you are totally completely done. I think it looks gorgeous. Just the chamfer foil. I just want just a little touch on this. You don't have to get what I get. But I just feel like I can't live with the plain for so long, like yesterday, because we have so many extremely requests for doing like more neutral looks. It's killing me. I love it anyway. But I'm telling you, it's killing me. That's why you're seeing like my LED lamp doesn't work. And I said, okay, Nancy, you're telling you to stop doing a natural, but because we love you guys so much, we're doing it for like both clients really want to do dramatic design. Also, it'd be fair for a lot of clients who are doing neutrals, like a set of nails, and so then they can still have an idea that they can take care of your, you know, it's really like elegance clients. So it looks really cute, but you can do it with or without crystal. I will key it for 60 seconds under the LED lamp, and then we'll check with the precision glue, and then this now will be completely done. I really love it. Great. I feel like I don't see it from far away. I didn't want, because you know, if I don't stop, I will continue to do until like it's blinked out. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Sarah. Hey, Sarah. Thanks so much for tuning in, sweetie. I'm just so focused on this and I didn't know that you're tuning in. Hello. Hey, MJ. Jesse, how are you? Thanks so much for tuning in. Today's is totally a different, cool of, share to my beauty forevers. I'm just here for 60 seconds. I'm waiting right now. In the meantime, just want to just brief it to you. There are some of the mixed bag. You're seeing it, some of our like the pictures before. When you order it, the mixed bag is collectible mixed bag. Is mega mix. It's different. Like any is mixed bag is update now. It's so freaking awesome. I'm going to using my precision glue to double secure. It's really stunning today. I got an opportunity to do one of my custom sets. She's amazing. Actually, I consult with her set, and then when she see me, the minute I pull this one out, I feel it in her nails, and she said, "Oh my God, what is that?" I said, "This is for double secure, so you won't catching on your hair. You're going to the special date tonight. It's gonna be really stunning. You don't catching anything at all." And then she said, "Oh my God, it's not." I'm like, at other place now salon I went before, they've never done it like this. So then the crystal was come off in like 2 days. So she's so pleased and happy with that. The clients will notice that something is different because this one will help you prevent from, you know, catching on your hair and your clothes, your sweaters, especially in the States. That's really nice and cold right now. And I just need to be a little bit squeezed. I'm usually, when you see me doing this, I doing a little exam, and then after I feel it's like scratchy, and just squeeze just a little bit, and it go a long way. So one bottle of this will last you a long time. But if this bottle is gone in 1 month, guess what? Congratulations, you make a lot of money out of this already. So great. So I'm gonna close this. Thank you, Sarah. Sarah mentioned with the class ends. It's okay. It looks beautiful. Thanks so much, Sarah. Sarah will mention with the class is going on the 28th, 29th, 30th in Ann Arbor. We're so freaking excited that we get to share so many experience and so many different designs, so many structures, shapes, and precise shape for salon style. How you can approaching, introduce, or promoting new services or crystal placement with your clients, and how you can able to do all that and promote in your social medias. That's what being covered in all in the class, and I'm so excited to able to share with all of you. And Sarah and Vicky will be there. So we'll go live in a little bit, and if you haven't get chance to connecting together with Nails by Sarah Destroys on Instagram, and on Facebook is Nail by Sarah. She's going to do live after this, and I'm so freaking like can't wait because she's come up with so beautiful masterpiece. All right, so this is looks so stunning. I want to do that.